Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we share an easy cornbread recipe that is moist and full of flavor. Add 2.5 cups of milk to 2 cups of cornmeal and mix. Set aside for 10 to 15 minutes, as this helps to get a moist cornbread. In a separate bowl, combine the dry ingredients. Add all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar. To the cornmeal and milk mixture, add 3 eggs and half a cup of oil. Mix well. Gradually stir in the dry ingredients. Grease a 9 by 13 inch oven dish. Pour the cornbread mixture into the oven dish and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. The cornbread is ready. The cornbread goes well with soup or chili, or simply have it on its own as a snack or quick breakfast. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.